Welcome to Travel Buddies. In this video, we're taking you on a tour around Tehran city, especially to see one of the biggest malls or shopping centers located in this city. Before we begin the walk, I'd like to say that this channel was created for one purpose and one purpose only. And that's to show you around the country and, more importantly, introduce you to its beauty and history and culture. As you may know, Iran is the first known country. Tehran is the capital city of this beautiful country. It has the population about more than 10 or even 12 million people, and with the migrated people from near countries, we can say it has almost about 18 or 19 million. Tehran has a great transportation system, whether it's subway or bus or taxi. But in order to avoid traffic, which is inevitable in this city, we suggest you choose subway system. There are so many stations around the city from west to east, north and south. There are so many, you wouldn't need to walk that much from your own destination. Tehran is a modernized city, unlike what Western media choose to say to people. So we created this channel to show you the truth, the true colors of the city, the country, and how people live. Iran is a hospitable country, so many tourists visit this country every year. And if you plan to visit a new place, we suggest you think about Iran. And one more thing before we get into the main point, we do not engage in political and religious activities and issues. We also are not qualified enough to give any speeches and any statements. So we thank you for honoring our decisions and not engaging in those matters as well. Also, we do not tolerate hate speech towards us or other people in the comment section. So anything of that matter will be answered. Thank you for choosing us. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get into it. We're walking one of the biggest shopping centers in the west of Tehran. Tehran has so many shopping centers. And fun fact, the biggest shopping center in the world is located in Tehran actually. It's called Iran Mall, and it's so huge that I once got lost in there. Today, this shopping center is called Mega Mall. It's located in Ekbatan town. Ekbatan was built more than 50 years ago, I think, and it's like a city itself. There are so many big apartments, and there's also a subway station. And a few years ago, they built this place. It's a huge shopping center with multiple floors, and one floor is dedicated for a chain store, and the top floor is also a cinema. And there are so many beautiful and good quality products in the shops, and even some brands have a store there. So if you have a free time, you can check this place out. Ekbatan is located in the west part of Tehran. As I've mentioned, it has a subway station, but you can also use your own car. You can get there with your own car, with your friends and family. It's not that crowded, but anyways, that's in Tehran. There is always traffic. As you can see in the video yourself, the stores and the decoration, they're modernized and they attract people to go in the shops, which is a marketing technique, a good one. Many shopping centers are like this these days. They are modernized with really cool decoration, but as you go towards north of Tehran, the decorations become more simpler, but they get so beautiful that it's really almost impossible not to shop. There are cafes and there's also a playground for kids. And most shopping centers dedicate at least one floor for a playground and food court and a chain store. So anyways, thank you for staying with us till now. Please make sure to like and subscribe and let us know what you think in the comment section. Thank you again. Enjoy the rest of the video.